Can you look at this watercolor and tell me how I painted it? Now, every watercolor needs a different painting strategy. And I'm going to show you what mine is for this watercolor in my next live workshop. This is a really fun painting to create, and it's actually a lot easier than you might initially think. It's pretty straightforward, painting light to dark and from background to foreground. But there is a twist to creating this design, and that's setting yourself up for success before you add any paint to paper. First, you need to map out the exact placement in the lines and shapes in this composition before adding any paint. So it's really important to take your time when drawing out this design. Now I like to hand draw out all my designs for my watercolors because it brings my personality into my paintings, and it also sharpens my eye and my skills for seeing the elements of art. However, I know drawing can make a lot of people nervous. So in order to set you up for success for this workshop, I have 3 ways of helping you to draw out the composition. And the first way I'm going to help you is by giving you a template you can trace in case you really struggle with the drawing. Second, I'm going to host a bonus workshop where I'm going to be there and help you draw out this composition in real time. And third, if you can't make the live workshop, I'm going to have a video where I walk you through step by step on how to draw this design out yourself so you can capture your own personality in your painting. Once you get this composition all drawn up and you're really happy with all the lines and shapes and the placement of the deer and the ripples and the rocks in this composition, you're going to find that that was the most difficult part of this whole painting. In fact, this is one of those designs where the drawing could actually take you more time than the painting. Sometimes that happens with watercolors. Sometimes with watercolors, you don't need to draw anything at all, and you can build up the entire painting just with layers of paint. Every watercolor is different. That's why I love watercolors, trying to figure out each strategy to create each painting. And I'm going to show you my strategy for this one in my next live painting workshop. I hope you can join me, but if you miss it, the replay will be made available and you can purchase that separately. So check out the link below this video to learn more on how you can join me live or catch the replay if you're watching this video after the live event has passed. And if you have any questions, let me know below. Comment on this video.